Hello guys, been running the D5 for almost a year now. There's a few modifications I thought I'd share with you. So we've got the D5RR set up for resin drifting at the moment, and we'll work from the front to the back with the basics first. So we've got 10 degrees Castor, 6 degrees Camber, an extra 2mm on the bottom arm, an extra mil on the steering link because we've made the front a little bit wider to try and keep the track sort of straight-ish, the toe, sorry, straight-ish. So the biggest difference on the front is the MR shock bridge, as you can see here. So we got rid of the shocks in the middle in favour for this, because it just seems to run nicer and softer. So we've got the MR shock bridge with the standard kit shocks, the plastic ones, with the standard springs and 100-weight oil with 6 1mm holes drilled into the baffle, so that makes them nice and soft to run on the resin and stuff. Going on to the back, we've got 4mm camber, and we've shortened the wheelbase. So we've moved the, flipped the arm, moved it in, and added a couple of spaces for the shockers on the back. So running the outermost hole on the shocker, and if it's from the middle outwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're on the third hole out. The biggest difference really on the back is the MR camber blocks we've added, and they're on the the second hole up out of 3. So as the car leans over now in a drift, because it's much softer, because we've corrected the rear roll center, it means that this outside wheel in the drift, if we're leaning in to a drift this way, this wheel stays much more where you've set it camber wise, which gives you a lot more grip mid corner and on the exit and stuff. So that's nice. And with the back being softer as well, it means that it leans into this leading steering wheel, so you get some nice front grip for some control. So that's about it, guys. Some basics. Slightly modified Castor on the front, a little bit wider, 7mm wheels so you get the angle, MR shock bridge, MR camber blocks, shortened wheelbase. Yeah, the stuff that we've got: OMG Predator servo and the V3 gyro, quick run BL120 ESC, and the matching quick run 13.5 turn motor. High motor mount at the back, which really helps with that body roll to increase the front end grip. Standard gearing, and I think that's about it, guys. Hope that helps. See you next time.